Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a buzzing problem many of us face in our backyards. Yellow jackets. These insects can be quite a nuisance, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you on how to get rid of yellow jackets naturally. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identification and safety. First things first, identify the yellow jacket nests. These are typically found in the ground or in cavities. Remember, your safety is paramount. Wear protective clothing and gloves to avoid stings. Step 2. Using soapy water. Fill a bucket with soapy water. This method, supported by the University of California's statewide integrated pest management program, effectively drowns the yellow jackets. Approach the nest at night when they are less active and pour the soapy water into the entrance. Step 3. Natural repellents. Next, let's use natural repellents. Research from Iowa State University suggests that certain essential oils like peppermint, clove, and geranium can repel yellow jackets. Apply these oils around the nest and other areas where they frequent. Step 4. Cucumber peels. Did you know cucumber peels are a natural deterrent for yellow jackets? Their bitter compounds, as noted in a study by the University of Kentucky, make them an effective repellent. Scatter cucumber peels around your patio or garden. Step 5. Homemade traps. Now, let's make a DIY trap. Mix sugar water, apple cider vinegar, and a drop of dish soap in a container. Cut a small hole in the lid. This combination, as found in a study by the University of Arkansas, lures and traps them effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you can say goodbye to yellow jackets naturally. Remember, dealing with yellow jackets can be risky, so if the infestation is large, don't hesitate to call a professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.